Hello and welcome to What's on the Shelf. I'm your host Jen, and today we're unboxing Monsters. I'm horrible with names, so we'll give the title a really good look. I just want to note that the artwork on this box is amazing. Sorry for the shaky cam. I don't have my gimbal with me right now, and I was just so excited to get this unboxed to look inside and see the figures in this. So, the lighting also is a little bit different. I'm currently at a different location. So, let's get to it. This is the grand unboxing of this. Now, this is the Kickstarter edition box. I think it's probably bigger than the normal box because of all the extra stuff you get in it. So, the concept of this game, and I think this is really cool, is, oh no, the plastic is all over, is that you are playing the different clans of monsters trying to eat the humans that are inside the cabin. It's kind of like a reverse Cabin in the Woods. So this box, by the way, is heavy. It's just a little bit over 8 pounds. So give me a sec to try and lift the lid up. Oh, that came off really easy, actually. Oh, wow. So you see the box is actually part of the game itself and has some pretty cool little nicks and crannies. So it's a box inside a box. Not redundant. Ugh. Like I said, 8 pounds. So this is actually part of the game. And this is the back of the box. Which we'll just stick in there for now. So this is part of the cabin. Wow, that looks amazing. Again, I'm a huge fan of this person's artwork. It's just, like, if you sit this in here, it looks like, it feels like you're in the cabin. That is going to be so cool. So, that's the bottom of the box. Now this is, huge. Like I said, just under 8 pounds. Holy moly. So there's paper here. Why is there paper here? Okay, so this is supposed to keep all the components that are here tied together. So these are different parts of the house that you can attach. Comes with sleeves. Always good to have sleeves. And this comes apart in layers, it looks like. This is the top layer. Put that over there. Got some sleeves. Always need sleeves. And then we get to the miniatures. They're a little all over the place. Unfortunately, they might have gotten shooken up in transit or when I was trying to open this up. Let's see what we've got. Oh, there we go. So, we got the cards here. We've got some meeples. Oh no, some cubes. Some doors. Some unique dice. And then you have the different factions and family groups. So these are the zombies. You have Mrs. Frankenstein, Mr. Frankenstein, and Franken Jr. You've got the aliens. You've got the werewolves. You have the vampire clan. You have the clowns, I believe. the Egyptians. And then you have your different heroes that you're essentially fighting. I believe this is supposed to be the cheerleader. So just to give you a little bit of a better look. They're super cute. Sorry about the barking. Anyways, give you a little bit more of a look inside. So this is just layers upon layers of plastic. So we've got some more guys here. Let's see. Oh no, here are the clowns. So you've got the snake people, or the swamp things, the clowns, the ghost guys, and then I think these are going to be one of my favorite guys to play. It's the Mogwai. I'm a huge Gizmo fanatic. Those are the Mogwai, and then you have Gizmo right here. Isn't he cute? He's going to be so fun to paint. And then more cards. And then this comes off. Oh, jeez. Oh, and there's parts for the boards here, too. So more plastic. Ugh. To finally get to the base and the rules. So this is an expansion part, I think, to the game. More games from them. Aww. We prepared this package carefully as possible, but if any of his copies damaged or missing, please follow. Take photos. Well, that's nice of them. And that's Gizmo. So we got the rule books and scenarios, which I will be happy to read, along with tokens galore. And I think that's going to be it, guys, for the box. Thank you so much for tuning in, if you could. I know it's just a little bit, or just after when people finish work, so maybe you'll catch this later. Have a good evening, guys. Bye.